Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can remove Temu minimum purchase limit. Now keep in mind, this is not going to work for everyone. I would like 60% of people that are going to watch this video, it's going to work for them, but the other 40% is not going to work, okay, including me. So it's not working for me, but it worked for my friends, okay. So what you guys need to do, you want to open your Temu app and you want to click on this icon in the top, okay, this icon in the top here, this support icon in the top right. After that, guys, you want to scroll down at the very bottom, you want to click on contact us, okay. So after, guys, you click on contact us, what you guys need to do, you want to type in here remove minimum, okay. Make sure you do the exact same thing, you want to type in the same thing, okay, remove minimum purchase requirements, okay. After that, you want to click on enter, okay. After that, if this is going to work for you, you will like give you an option to select no, okay. If it doesn't work for you, then you will say something like we are sorry about your feelings. You can just ask one if your family to if they want an item, and then you can add that item to the cart so that you can take advantage of free shipping and like discounted prices. But if it works for you, they will say something like they will give you an option to select no, and another option select there no, I want to remove the order limit, and then another option that select remove restriction, and then boom, the order limit is going to be removed, okay. But if this says something like that, just like me, they are not going to do that. I don't know, probably of my country. If you live, for example, in United States, this is going to work most of the time, okay. So if it doesn't work, let me guys know in the comments. If it works, let me know in the comments. If it works, guys, drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. See you guys next video.